Do you really think that if you hit 0 million views and rack up 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you'll be rolling in cash? Let me break it to you. Shorts can definitely get you views, but don't count on making any money. If you skip this video, you're gonna repeat the same mistakes that every new creator does. This video is for those who have big dreams but are clueless about the reality. Stop overthinking and listen. It's time to face some hard truths you need to get today. You probably know that just by making shorts, our channel has only put out 15 videos, and during that time if you want millions, like 9 million, 10 million views, then sure, you can make that happen, and you'll get paid. But let's say you hit that 10 million views target. Just think about how much money that really is. Like, what, 100 bucks? That's hardly anything. Monetization isn't the gold mine it sounds like, it's more of a joke. Shorts might promise you a way to make money, but in reality, it's just wasting your time and effort. Monetizing your channel is just the beginning. You might think that once you're monetized, the cash will start rolling in. But here's the truth. Your channel will get monetized, but your earnings, they'll be a trickle, and your analytics will just frustrate you. Monetizing shorts is just that, only shorts. A big issue is that the audience for 90% of viral short creators isn't loyal. They just scroll through your videos and move on. Hardly anyone stops by your profile. And when they come back, they probably won't even check out your longer videos. So do you just want views? Or do you want a loyal audience that sticks with you for every video? In 2025, millions of new creators will come in, all dreaming of monetizing through shorts. Everyone thinks if they just hit 10 million views, their channel will get monetized. But once they do get monetized, they'll see the earnings and realize, you'll regret making shorts. They'll only bring you numbers, not money. You won't have a loyal audience, a long-term strategy, and you won't achieve what you want. Either you'll realize this truth early on or you'll make the same mistake. Shorts can get you monetized, but forget about real earnings. After monetization, do you really think money will just start pouring in? That's just a dream, not reality. The truth is, with shorts, you might get millions of views and monetize your channel. But what really happens is that shorts will only give you views, not cash. Let me show you live proof of how much you can earn from shorts. You should really see this to put your mind at ease. First off, I'm going to show you the earnings from the highest viewed short, which currently has only 12,000 views. So, let's dive into the analysis. This short got me just 43 subscribers, and if it had been a long video, I would have definitely gotten at least 100 subscribers. Now let's check out the revenue and see how much money it made. You can see it live here for the 12,000 views. I've only made Rs so far, and if this had been a long video, I could have easily made around Rs 3360. Looking at the RPM, I've only earned 0.65 for every 1,000 views, which is less than Rs1. If I get 2,000 views, that's when I might hit Rs1. So that's my earnings from one short. Now let me show you all my earnings. Here, I've pulled up my revenue, and in 28 days, I've made just Rs5 from shorts. Honestly, I feel a bit embarrassed saying that. All right, now let me show you my lifetime earnings from shorts. I've decided to go for a lifetime membership since I started YouTube. I mean, I've only gotten 9 views out of 59,000. Just think, even if you somehow get 100,000 views, you might only make a few bucks. That gives you an idea of how little you earn from shorts. You can figure out how much you make per view from that. I'll leave that for you to comment on. Now back to our topic. Let's say your channel gets monetized. What's the next step? Your CPM is just Rs1. You won't make more than Rs10 for 1 million views, and without creating long-form videos, you'll never earn any money. You might be thinking, hey, I've monetized my channel, so what's next? The answer is frustration, because when your hard work doesn't pay off, you'll start questioning why you wasted so much time. The biggest trap with shorts is that you can monetize your channel just by chasing views, but after 2024, YouTube's fund is going to dry up. The money you'll earn will only come from long-form content, and hitting that 10 million views target with shorts isn't going to cut it. It's just a trap. Getting 10 million views isn't easy, and even if you manage to hit that target through hard work, what do you really get? Rs1 or maybe nothing at all, And that's if YouTube decides to monetize you by 2025. But hitting that milestone doesn't automatically make you a successful creator. YouTube favors long-form videos and a strong brand. Sure, shorts might help you monetize your channel by 2025, but long-form